abstract. Yeah, it's complicated. What you say, the way you act, well, it makes me so confused. I don't know what to do anymore.
Good afternoon. It is Friday at 1:30 in the afternoon. I literally just got home from work. I was cleaning a client's house. My hair is out of control, but this is literally real life today. You're gonna see the raw real me today, as I have literally like little over an hour barely to get my house back in order, and I had full intentions on deep cleaning today. So I think I'm going to start out in the kitchen and deep clean in there before moving through the rest of the house. I also really need to deep clean the bathroom and just kind of get a head start on spring cleaning. And so put me up on whatever device and clean along with me. Let's get to it. We are not messing around in today's video, and we are literally hopping right on into it here in the kitchen. I am wiping down all of the cabinets, literally top to bottom here in the kitchen. Later on in the video, we are going to head into my bathroom and do a nice deep cleaning there. We are washing walls today. We are doing baseboards, picture frames, like just really getting a head start, like I said, on that spring cleaning for 2023. And I would love to know what is on your to-do list today. Have you started deep cleaning yet for spring, or are you just kind of still getting the house reset for 2023, getting that, declutter and organization done within your home? Maybe it's even just some, simple cleaning tasks, and that's okay too. But let me know what is on your to-do list today, and I hope that today's video gets you up and motivated to tackle your mess and clean along with me.
One of those lucid dreams. Oh yeah. Wait, you gotta tell me what you did. I saw the world turning in my mind. Oh, yesterday you pulled the rug under my feet. Still I'm trying to wake me up. What if I'm making it all up?
The number one goal with spring cleaning for me is just really getting some of those deep cleaning tasks done. So I don't always wipe my kitchen cabinets, especially top to bottom. I usually just do like a little spot treatment. And so when I'm focusing more on that deep cleaning, I'm making sure I'm hitting every surface area possible. As a professional cleaner outside of the home, I see the nitty gritty that people are forgetting to clean. And sometimes it's a good reminder for me to, use that within my own home. And then I also love sharing that with you guys. So today we are again moving things off of the counters and really getting behind everything. And again, just tackling those surfaces that do not get cleaned normally. If you have been around for a while, you will know I also launched my Messy to Minimal series in January here. And so I just ended up taking off some things off my countertop there, and I put them in the drawer as I'm trying to really minimize the clutter in my home. And so one of the ways that I do that is just by, again, removing some things off of display and actually getting them organized in the drawers. So if you haven't seen my Messy to Minimal series, I highly recommend going back and checking that out. I will have more decluttering videos coming here really soon on my channel as part of my Messy to Minimal series, as well as there is still some stuff to do. But again, today we are really focusing on some of that deep cleaning.
Dreams.
When I saw you over there, I wasn't sure. Now I'm feeling something I haven't before. Look at us now dancing now, skin to skin. If you keep this up, then I'll let you in, 'cause you have a way with me like no one else. Yeah, you almost make me fall in love. Yeah, you got me hypnotized under your spell. I know I'll go home with you tonight. Oh, wanna get you closer to my body. Wanna feel your hands all over me. Gotta make them jealous every
We are going to finish up here in the kitchen. I am just deep cleaning the sink. I like to do this actually once a week, but I sometimes obviously slack on it or forget or just, you know, things get busy. So I'm only human and I can only do so much, and I'm trying to give myself some grace, but I do love giving my sink a really good deep clean, and using that marble paste really helps to make it shine. There's nothing better than a clean sink. Now we're going to quickly tackle the floors. This is going to be a do as I say, not as I do. I never recommend sweeping. Like, I don't even know why I still have a broom, to be honest. Probably because I don't have a stick vacuum still. I know I haven't made the investment yet, but if you do have one, let me know down below which one you have. But again, do as I say, not as I do. I was feeling with the lack of time that I had today that I didn't have time to bring up my vacuum. Long story short, I ended up bringing it up anyway, and then off camera actually went back and vacuumed in my kitchen because I just couldn't handle it. But we're gonna do these floors and then move on into the dining area and the entryway.
Be good at thinking out loud, but not too good at keeping promises. No, did you fool yourself enough to be proud? Oh baby, baby, good at thinking. Even though your mama told you be the best that you can, she never warned you for the monsters dancing in your head, the devil on your shoulder strung you up on a thread. But I don't need to tell you.
I feel like I did 100 happy dances in this video today, and it just is something that kind of reminds me of my mom growing up. She would literally blast the music while she was cleaning and just go to town, and I am turning into my mom in the best way possible, and it just makes my heart so happy. But in regards to this table here, I wanted to ask you guys here, as I did ask over on the gram, but if you don't follow me over there, again, I wanted to kind of get your guys' feedback. So I am wanting to refinish this table. I freaking love our dining room table, I'm not gonna lie. What I don't love is the color of it, and obviously just how worn it is. You can tell by the middle, it's kind of really worn out. I am gonna give it a little like leather and wood balm treatment using this beeswax stuff that really helps to make it shine and just kind of, again, you know, enhance it. So I am doing that right now, but I do want to somehow strip or sand this dining room table. I have big goals for this table. I will insert my inspo pic here, but let me know if you have ever DIY'd veneer before. Some of you say it's totally not possible over on Instagram. Some of you say it totally is possible. And obviously I have zero experience DIYing, like stripping and sanding veneer. So if you do have any experience, I would love to know your thoughts down below, and if my inspiration is possible, or like if I just need to build a new table or buy one. I don't know. I also really want to learn how to build, so we'll see what's going to happen, but any and all feedback is greatly appreciated.
Don't you look at me like that? Hey, like you're feeling sorry. Don't you look at me like that when you break my heart like that, like you're feeling sorry, 'cause you're not feeling sorry. Hey, hey, don't you look at me like that when you break my heart like that, like you're feeling sorry. It's your own fault, now toss the soul. Don't you look at me like that, walking out the door like that, you're not feeling sorry. It's your own fault, now toss the soul. Devil on, it's a devil on your shoulder. 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 Devil on, it's a devil on me in, and the other way around. Pull me in, push me back. What do you want from me? What do you want from me?
Another project that I am going to work on in the future here is this entryway. I have some really cool ideas, and I actually have been shopping a little bit. So there's a few things that I've purchased that I am so excited to share again in a future video. So make sure you are subscribed. I have lots of creative content coming at you guys, lots of cleaning, homemaking motivation, decluttering, organizing, deep cleaning, spring cleaning, and then again, a few odd home projects that I'm really excited to share. So if that's something that you enjoy and you like watching, hit that red subscribe button. And while you are at it, give this video a thumbs up. It really does help out my channel as a small creator. So as you can see, I'm just kind of moving around. This little flexi dust thing is actually a duster. So I am just dusting all the cobwebs and stuff that were up high.
All alone, push me back, pull me in, and the other way around. Pull me in, push me back.
All right, it is 20 after 2. I am going to stop today's filming. I'm going to pick up tomorrow and really deep clean the main bathroom here, as I got to get ready to go. So we'll see you guys tomorrow.
All right, day 2, guys, we are starting it off with a nice little load of laundry and some editing magic. So there's nothing like that ripple task that kind of gets you moving forward. And we are going to go ahead and get the trash can cleaned here in the bathtub.
What do you want from me? What do you want from me? Can someone set me free? What do you want? What do you want? What do you want from me? What do you want from me? Can someone set me free? What do you want? What do you want?
Lying next to you, feeling something brand new. And I haven't seen you in years, but I know you. Oh, I really missed you. Before when I met you, I never saw. No, I never saw the way that you look now is all I know. Yeah, it's all I know. So forget about the past. You and I could be lasting. This time we could be lasting. This time we could be lasting.
So this is a new cleaning tool that I'm using here in my bathroom. It is called the Multi-Tool, also by Enjo. So it is meant for flat surfaces, so like walls, mirrors, you know, all the things. And I'm really excited to try this throughout my home. As you can see, I am using it on the walls here in the bathroom, and I really, really liked it. It really covers up the surface area, and I don't have to spend a lot of, you know, time or like elbow grease to get it clean, as like the fibers really truly just do the work for you. But I am really curious, can you guys let me know down below what you use for cleaning products? I would love to know if you use chemicals or if you use more non-toxic and natural cleaning products. And if you want to be specific, obviously drop them down below, but I'm always curious to know what you guys are using within your own homes as well.
Summer's gone, I'm latching on. Don't even know your name, but you're still in my head. Underneath rays of gold, your body oh so close. No, I can't forget, no. When I saw you on the dance floor, oh, I saw you who saw me first. I guess it's history now, and I shouldn't care, but it still hurts. I didn't realize the danger, cause you're the end of the rainbow. And the music was so loud, didn't catch your name over this crowd.
Okay, I'm gonna have to tackle the baseboards and the rest of the walls and like the living area and stuff in a future video when I complete my spring cleaning. So I'm gonna end the video here and hopefully get this up and edited for you guys to see tomorrow morning. But yeah, I have some really exciting content coming for you guys later this month. So stay tuned and make sure you are subscribed if you're not already. And while you're at it, give this video a thumbs up. It really does help out my channel as a small creator. And if you're needing more motivation, I have lots of cleaning videos down below. And I also have my Messy to Minimal series. If you are needing like some decluttering and organizing material, go ahead and check that out. I mean, it's insane. It's some insane, super motivating, again, material. So that's all I have for you. We'll see you guys next week for a new video. Bye.
Girl, you should wear a name tag, cause all I wanna do is to know your name. Girl, you should wear a name tag, that's the only way that I get your name. Girl, you should wear a name tag, it's too important to be your name. People gonna say what you want, right? Girl, you should wear a name tag.